Hey everyone, welcome back to MemeCoinNinja, and in this video I'll show you how I made 80% profit in under 10 minutes trading a meme coin called Usagi, all in real time using a strategy that I trusted every single day. And yes, this trade came directly from our MemeCoinNinja VIP Telegram bot, and I'll explain how that works. So here's what happened. I received a notification on our MemeCoinNinja VIP channel from the bot. This bot constantly scans for brand new meme coins launches on Solana. But not just any coin, it applies filters to avoid obvious rug pulls, checks token properties, and gives early alerts within seconds of launch. That's a big edge when you're trading meme coins. The token name was Usagi, and as usual, I didn't jump in right away. I checked if the coin had a Twitter account, active, a website which is clean and professional, and that's step one. The presence looked good, but still not a buy signal yet. Next, I applied my golden rule, which is nothing but a 3-minute wait time. I let the coin settle for 3 minutes before entering. During that time, I carefully watch the buyers versus the sellers ratio. It should have a minimum of 300 plus gap in the favor of buyers. And is the number of buyers increasing consistently? And now here's the catch. If I don't feel confident after those 3 minutes, and if the data isn't strong enough, then I simply wait another 3 more minutes to take the call or just move on to the next opportunity. No stress and no chasing. And before entering any meme coin trade, I follow 4 non-negotiable rules. The capital allocation, only what I'm okay to lose. It can be 0.15, 0.2, 0.3, all depends upon the capital allocation that I have. Clear entry, based on the actual metrics and not hype. And then the pre-decided exit, I already know when I'll get out. And no emotions, no greed, no fear, just execution. So this mindset kind of protects me from the impulsive decisions. Usagi checked all the boxes and the volume was increasing, buy pressure was kind of strong, and the market cap was still at a sweet spot. I entered the trade confidently, and within 10 minutes I hit a 80% profit and exited immediately. No hesitation, no regrets, the profit booked and trades is done. This trade was only possible because of the MemeCoinNinja VIP Telegram bot. It alerts you to freshly launched tokens with a token of age under a few seconds, important flags like mintable, freeze status, renounce check, and links to Twitter, bubble maps, deck screener, and more. You don't have to waste time searching manually, the bot does all the heavy lifting. The Usagi trade is a perfect example of how you can trade calmly, smartly, and profitably, and when you follow a solid framework. Whether it's 3 minutes or 6, if the signal is not strong, you wait or you move on. No emotions and no chasing.